Learning piano scales can feel super confusing when you're just starting out. There's major scales, harmonic minor, melodic minor, major blues, minor blues. It's like a never-ending list of patterns to memorize. And then you have to learn each of those types of scales in every different key. That's like a million scales. Yeah, it can be overwhelming. So today, I'm going to show you the fastest and most logical way to learn all your scales. Rather than thinking about them as loads and loads of standalone patterns with black and white keys all over the place, you can just use a handful of formulas. And keep on watching until the end, because I've created something really cool that I want to share with you. Anyway, let's break it down. Let's start with the major scale. Just remember this pattern. Whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Or WWH, WWWH for short. Now, how do you use this? So the whole is referring to a whole step. So if you're starting on a C, a whole step would be going one half and then another half. So it's any two movements on the piano, whether it's a black to a white key or a white to a black key. So with that in mind, if you wanted to use this formula to play, for example, the D major scale, starting on the D, you would go whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. And just like that, you've got the D major scale. And let's just say you wanted to play the A major scale. It's the same formula. So starting on an A, you would then go whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. And again, the A major scale, just like that. So how cool is that? Just remember that formula and then you can play all of the major scales. Next, let's play the harmonic minor scale. This one can be used to add drama, shades of darkness, or sorrowful, sad qualities to music. And you use this formula. Whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole and a half, half. And again, you can use this starting on any key to play the harmonic minor scale. So let's play the B harmonic minor scale. So starting off on a B, you would go whole, half, whole, whole, half. And here you've got a whole and a half, so you'd go whole, half, and then half. And straight away, you've got the B harmonic minor scale. Alright, let's slide into the melodic minor scale. This one's smooth and jazzy and super useful in both classical and modern music. Here's the formula for the ascending melodic minor. Ascending meaning going up. Whole, half, whole, 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 half. So let's just say you wanted to play the G melodic minor scale. So you'd start off on a G, then you would go whole, half, whole, 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 half. So you may notice that this one is like the first half of a minor scale and the top half of a major scale. And in classical music, we usually lower the 6th and 7th degree of that scale back down by a half step when descending. But in jazz, it's common to use the ascending version all the way up and down. So if you're doing the classical melodic scale, on the way back down, you would tweak the formula to whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. So on the way up, you would go whole, half, whole, 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 half. Then on the way back down, you would go whole, whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole. This descending pattern is identical to the natural minor scale. So there you have it, another scale for you, the formula for the natural minor scale. Now for the major blues scale. Think positive, happy blues or jazzy gospel. And you can use this formula. Whole, half, half, whole and a half, whole, whole and a half. So let's use it to play the C major blues scale. So you're starting on the C, you would go whole, half, half, then a whole and a half, so whole and a half, then a whole, then another whole and a half, so whole, half. Unlike the others, you can use this formula starting on any key to play the major blues scale anywhere on the piano. And finally, for a grittier sound, you've got the minor blues scale, and the formula is whole plus half, whole, half, half, whole plus half, whole. Let's use it to play the E minor blues scale. So, starting on the E, whole plus half, whole, half, half, another whole plus half, whole. And you'll have heard this scale from everything to blues to rock to hip hop. I love it. By the way, this is what I wanted to share with you. If you're a visual learner or just want a super quick and easy reference, then I've put together a piano scales poster that you can download. It shows all the essential scales, is colour-coded and with the correct fingerings, and you can print it off and have it next to your piano or keyboard. Just tick the link in the description and grab your copy. And it's free. Anyway, I really hope you found this video useful, and now you can see how with just a handful of formulas you can play all of those essential scales. And if you're on the fence with scales and not sure if they're worth the effort, then check out this video where I'll tell you what I wish I knew about scales when I first started learning piano.